We've been working on this 32 Ford. Pretty exciting project. It was actually a hot rod that was built in 1961, and they actually welded 1961 on the frame. It's going to have a stack injected 409 in it and a 5-speed manual transmission, so it's going to be a pretty fun car. We had to redo a lot of this. The chop was a little crooked. The corners were messed up, so we made this buck so that we could redo these window corners. They were different. Like, it's like one guy did the left side, a totally different guy did the right side. But anyway, we made these bucks so that we could get all that done. And we fixed the trunk area, and then we've moved up into the front, fixed the cowl area. The car was covered in lead, so when we get to take the lead out, and we find out how they just caved and paved back in the day, and then we end up fixing it with new sheet metal.